Same. Is it? Yeah. I'm too old for this shit.
Pushed all the way to the top.
Yeah. We got them dead heads down there.
Yeah.
Two deltas down there, mate. Yeah. So far they've been hit. Yeah, mate. Two that's just been hit. What's that one? It's nice, that. I was going to say Australian, maybe. No? Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Coming down from the top. Okay, cool. So they can't come from that way. No. And if they are that way. I've been wondering that way. Oh, cool. Because we met earlier, we were out about that way. Yeah. We meandered through like bush.
Yeah. Can I do a mag? Can I do one mag? Alright. That way, I've got some in there. I'll give you half a tub when I get back.
Mate.
I'm like, oh, mate. Yeah. Go for it.
What is the situation? Have we been pushed all the way back again?
Yeah. Heavy fire.
See, go up that hill to your right. Yeah, to your right. Push that hill to your right. Probably.
That'll do, mate. Yeah, that'll do. Just as long as I've got another clip, like, you know. Cheers, boss.
I've just emptied mine out.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, fuck it.
Oh, fuck. Do I wind this one? I don't wind that, do I? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. And then it'll come up there, won't it? Yeah. Mate, it's fucking awesome, isn't it? Hey?
I've killed a few up on that hill. I was stuck right in and they couldn't fucking see me. Everybody was getting hit.
Yeah.
And I wasn't getting hit. I was like, yeah.
I'm still one, mate. I'm still on one.
I haven't died here yet.
I've been hit twice.
Yeah, I
One
haven't
of the
died on
thumb,
that hill
one
yet.
of the that. Oh, we're losing some.
Yeah, that's fine. Ah, but too much.
Yeah, wind it, and then you'll
Yeah,
take.
yeah.
Oh man.
Like you get to a point up there,
Yeah.
and then you've got no one following him behind
There's
you.
that guy there, a marshal, with the vest.
I don't know.
And I'm going to say to him, look, whenever he spawns, can I not walk up there, just wait down here for 5 minutes? He's going to kill me, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Bravo. Yeah, Bravo 2 IC. So he's second in command. Yeah, but there is a lot down there, mate.
Yeah, I'm gonna head back up this hill. It's pretty action packed.
You want to go dead ahead? You want to push them dead ahead? Just say fuck it. Just get everyone to fucking push forward, innit? No,
Can
no,
you
we.
just do that?
Oh fuck.
I think we've got it.
Have you? Did you do me a favour?
Eh?
Did you do me a favour? Just quick that on my belt.
On the back there.
Yeah, on the belt, mate. On the belt. It's literally. I should have prepped better. Yeah, I should have prepped this better, mate.
To be honest, this radio in here. Oh yes!
We need you down there, mate. Spray the whole lot. Yes! Yes! Push forward! Push forward! Push forward! Push forward! Fuck it! Motherfuckers! Hit! Oh! Oh man! Hit! That was a good try, mate. That was a damn good try. Oh, no, it's worth it.